so nice to us, have kept in touch with us throughout the entire process up until now. Here we are in the venue meeting other couples that are thinking of coming. So we're definitely glad to be a Indigo couple.
I think initially when we were looking for a venue, we wanted something that felt modern, and for Andrew, importantly, was inside. So really just, it's a modern, clean, just kind of elegant feel.
It's a really unique space and you can really do a whole lot with it. The sky's the limit and it's just beautiful. I mean, you literally don't have to have a thing to make your day perfect and beautiful here.
Don't think twice, just do it. Seriously.
It literally like felt good to have like other people here like on the same level as me, and we're just wired and ready to go.
Yeah.
So, this is great.
Because by the day of it, it's pure excitement. So.
Yeah.
That's just one word that sticks out. Everything was comfortable and everything, like we knew what was going on. It was transparent and comfortable.
So we were actually just talking with somebody about it. We kind of felt like we had the Avengers of weddings. We managed to get just a really excellent team together. And I've had several coworkers come up to me who were able to attend, and they said this was the smoothest wedding they've ever seen. And it felt like all the staff was just right there.
It was amazing. There were so many things that I forgot that they remembered.
I think I'm a big music person, so the music transition that happened from me walking in with my dad and everything was exactly what I wanted it to be. It was perfect for the piece of music that we had chosen for that. And then the music afterwards, it all just flowed very effortlessly.
When we had our guests coming up the stairs, we had a tequila table where we had a sign that said, take a shot, take a seat, that everyone seemed to enjoy.
Duncan was amazing. He made sure that everything went off without a hitch. Any issue that we had, I didn't know about because Duncan took care of it before it even came to me, which was amazing.
And I would just like to rave on Duncan and Uptown Indigo. We're using Rachel with Spring Door Diaries as well to do our planning and coordinating, and I am just in awe of how perfect they are. Everyone has highly recommended them. They are amazing to work with. I am a very type A OCD person, and it takes a lot for me to fully trust somebody and let them kind of lead me, and they just do everything that I've asked. They see my vision.
I guess succinct.
Smoother.
Yeah, everything was just here and available, and Duncan was always available.
For every
Indigo
Indigo couple,